In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Android app to Firebase from scratch. We'll start by creating a Firebase project and registering your Android app. Head to the Firebase console and sign in with your Google account. Click Create a Project, or choose an existing Google Cloud project if you already have one. Follow the prompts. You can optionally enable Google Analytics here. If you turn it on, you'll be asked to pick an Analytics account, which helps you view app usage later. After Firebase finishes provisioning the project, you'll land on the project overview page. Click the Android icon to start the Android app setup. Enter your app's exact package name. This must match the package declared in your app module's Gradle file in Android Studio, so double-check it in your module level build.gradle or build.gradle.kts. You can add an app nickname for your own reference, then click Register App. Next, download the configuration file that Firebase generates for you. This file is named Google Services.json. Place it inside the app directory of your Android Studio project, not the project root. In the Android view, you should see it directly under the app module. If you're using build variants or flavors, this single file is fine for a basic setup. More advanced environments might use different files per build type, but for now, keep it under app to ensure the Gradle plugin can find it. Now add the Firebase SDKs to your app. In your project's Gradle setup, make sure the Google Services Gradle plugin is available at the top level, and then apply the Google Services plugin in your app module so it can read the Google Services JSON file. In the app module's dependencies, add the Firebase libraries you need. A common best practice is to use the Firebase bill of materials, which keeps versions aligned, and then include the specific SDKs you plan to use, such as Analytics, Authentication, or Cloud Firestore. After you update your Gradle files, click Sync Now in Android Studio. A successful sync means the configuration file was found and the libraries were resolved. To wrap up, build and run the app on a device or emulator to make sure everything compiles cleanly. If you enabled analytics, you can later confirm events in the Firebase console's debug view when you're ready. That's it. You've created a Firebase project, registered your Android app, added the configuration file, and integrated the Firebase SDK so you're ready to use Firebase services.